Sleep. It's something we spend about a third of our lives doing, yet many of us don't give it much thought. We see it as a passive activity, a time when our bodies and minds shut down. However, the truth is far more dynamic. Sleep is an active and essential process, much like eating or breathing. It's crucial for our physical and mental well-being. Think of sleep as a nightly recharge for your brain and body. During this time, our bodies repair tissues, build muscles, and strengthen our immune systems. Our brains are busy consolidating memories, processing emotions, and forming new connections. Without enough sleep, these vital functions are compromised. We experience a decline in cognitive abilities, emotional stability, and physical health. Understanding why we sleep is the first step toward unlocking its remarkable power. It's about appreciating sleep, not as a luxury, but as a fundamental pillar of a healthy and fulfilling life. Our sleep isn't a uniform state. Instead, it unfolds in cycles, each composed of distinct stages. Imagine descending a staircase, each step representing a deeper level of sleep. These stages can be broadly categorized into two types: non-rapid eye movement, NREM sleep, and rapid eye movement, REM sleep. NREM sleep is further divided into three stages, each marked by characteristic brainwave patterns and physiological changes. This is where our bodies focus on restoration and repair, while our brains are busy consolidating memories. In contrast, REM sleep is a time of intense brain activity. Our dreams take center stage, often vivid and emotionally charged. Our muscles become temporarily paralyzed, preventing us from acting out our dreams. Understanding these stages and their unique characteristics is key to appreciating the complexity of sleep. It reveals how our bodies and minds work in concert, orchestrating a symphony of restoration and rejuvenation each night. As we drift off to sleep, we enter the first stage of NREM sleep. Our muscles relax, our breathing slows, and our heart rate decreases. This stage is a light sleep, a transitional phase between wakefulness and deeper slumber. Stage 2 of NREM sleep is characterized by further slowing of brainwave activity. Our body temperature drops, and our heart rate and breathing become more regular. This stage constitutes the majority of our sleep time, laying the groundwork for the restorative processes to come. Finally, we descend into the depths of Stage 3 NREM sleep, also known as slow wave sleep. This is the deepest stage of sleep, characterized by slow and rhythmic brainwaves. Our bodies are in a state of profound relaxation, and it's during this stage that tissue repair, muscle growth, and immune system strengthening are most active. After cycling through the stages of NREM sleep, we transition into REM sleep, a period of heightened brain activity that usually begins about 90 minutes after falling asleep. It is during this stage that we experience our most vivid dreams. Our eyes dart back and forth beneath closed eyelids, giving this stage its name. Our breathing and heart rate become more rapid and irregular, mirroring the emotional intensity of our dreams. While the exact purpose of dreaming remains a mystery, scientists believe it plays a crucial role in memory consolidation, emotional processing, and learning. During REM sleep, our brains are busy integrating new experiences with existing memories, creating new neural pathways, and solidifying emotional responses. Understanding the function of REM sleep highlights its importance for our cognitive and emotional well-being. It's not just about fantastical dreams, it's about processing information and strengthening our mental resilience. The price of slumber's absence. Short-term effects. Failing to get enough sleep, even for a single night, can have immediate and noticeable consequences. The most obvious is daytime sleepiness, that persistent feeling of fatigue that makes it difficult to concentrate, focus, and stay alert. Our cognitive abilities also suffer when we are sleep-deprived. We experience impaired memory, difficulty learning new information, and reduced creativity. Our decision-making skills are compromised, and we are more likely to make errors in judgment. Emotionally, sleep deprivation can lead to increased irritability, mood swings, and difficulty regulating emotions. We may find ourselves feeling more stressed, anxious, and overwhelmed. These short-term effects may seem minor, but they can significantly impact our daily lives, affecting our work performance, relationships, and overall well-being. Sleepless and suffering, long-term health consequences. The consequences of chronic sleep deprivation extend far beyond daytime drowsiness and impaired cognitive function. Over time, consistently skimping on sleep can have serious and long-lasting impacts on our physical and mental health. Studies have linked chronic sleep deprivation to an increased risk of developing chronic diseases such as obesity, type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and certain types of cancer. Sleep deprivation disrupts our hormonal balance, increases inflammation, and weakens our immune system, making us more susceptible to illness. Mentally, chronic sleep loss is associated with an increased risk of developing mood disorders such as anxiety and depression. It can also worsen existing mental health conditions and impair our ability to cope with stress. The cumulative effects of sleep deprivation highlight the importance of prioritizing sleep as a non-negotiable aspect of a healthy lifestyle. It's not just about feeling rested. It's about protecting our long-term health and well-being. The Sleep Thieves' Unveiling Lifestyle Culprits. In today's fast-paced world, a myriad of factors can conspire to rob us of quality sleep. Stress, a constant companion for many, can keep our minds racing long after we've turned off the lights. Our dietary choices also play a role. Consuming caffeine or large meals close to bedtime can interfere with our ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. The blue light emitted from our electronic devices, a ubiquitous presence in our lives, suppresses melatonin production, a hormone that regulates our sleep-wake cycle. Lack of physical activity can also impact our sleep quality, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. By identifying these sleep disruptors, we can start to make conscious changes to our daily routines and habits to promote better sleep. Reclaiming the night tips for sounder slumber. Improving our sleep hygiene, the habits and practices that contribute to a good night's sleep, is often the first step toward reclaiming restful nights. Establishing a regular sleep schedule, even on weekends, helps regulate our body's natural sleep-wake cycle, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine, such as taking a warm bath or reading a book, signals to our bodies that it's time to wind down. Transforming our bedrooms into sleep sanctuaries by ensuring a cool, dark and quiet environment can significantly improve sleep quality. Investing in blackout curtains, earplugs or a white noise machine can help minimize sleep disruptions. Managing stress through relaxation techniques such as meditation or deep breathing exercises can quiet our minds and prepare us for a restful night's sleep. By incorporating these practical tips into our daily lives, we can prioritize sleep and reap its countless benefits. Remember, a good night's sleep is an investment in our health, well-being and overall quality of life.